This evening right now, special time right now. The man is in the building. The man all the way from the next side of the world is here. No, me not even know which part him forward from. Cause I'm so much different location. People, welcome to the show this evening. Not for the first time, but a return guest. Kirk Diamond is in the UK. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
It might just come in just simple, sir. Well, just ordinary, so not even a little extra, like a little excitement.
No, you know, so I practice it and it don't fit me.
You know, work.
Yeah, it don't work out with me.
I like that still. Stay true to yourself. So what's good, my brother? What brings you to our shows?
I mean, I London, you know, so I like being here.
I know you like the coolness, you know, because you come from a cool place as well. So, but London not cool right now.
It wet.
It wet.
Yeah.
As usual.
It wet. The first thing I have to do is buy a raincoat, you know? Yeah.
But you should be used to that because you reside in Canada, am I right?
Yeah, but winter jacket and raincoat different.
Actually,
Our winter jacket thicker than phone.
Yeah, I think Canada is cool and dry.
Yeah.
Over here is wet and cold.
Yeah.
It's two different things.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
One over here kind of soaking pan you.
Yeah. It wet you the whole day and then in the evening it just all parties start hurting and all
And
these
then you
things.
don't get much sun neither.
You don't get none at all. Out there, but you just can't feel it.
Yeah, I mean, you kind of accept it though, because I know like Canada where you see sun and you'll be like, yo, outside's supposed to be nice, and then you go out there and it's like, holy.
We know the vibes. So for everybody that's just joining us and really don't know anything about Kirk Diamond, can you just give us a quick rundown of who you are, please?
Well, yeah, you know the name Kirk Diamond. Originally from Spanish Town, Jamaica, now residing in Toronto, Canada.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Big up the Raptors, guy, I don't know.
Raptors.
Seeing.
One over.
Yeah, and you know
Big
what
up
I
the
mean?
Raptors, but you know what state me say straight.
We stay.
Golden, man.
No, man, so say them mash up. Next year for them, or a year after, because you know, say KD gone and Clay gone. And
Big up Raptors, well done to them. I think this is what the how much title them win? This is the first one, right?
Yeah, this is our first
This is the
ever.
first one.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
history them make.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? Take the NBA from out of America, bring it to Canada. So history.
Yeah,
So
I mean, it was a
big up
great look.
Raptors.
You know what I mean? It was a great look because if you look on a team there, you know really have no star-studded lineup
No.
to say, you know what I mean? Them are going to do it. So for
No,
them,
but
do
that's
it,
what Golden State had before as well.
exactly.
They still have it.
It's just,
It's an all-star team them have.
it becomes an all-star state because of what they had before and what they achieved. But anyway, we don't really want to get involved with
Yeah,
this because that's not going
And a sports report. Yeah.
Become almost like a sports show. I just say you reside, you born in Spanish Town, but you now reside in
In Canada.
Canada. And you've been doing a lot of stuff in Canada because I've seen you got a few accolades in Canada as well.
Yeah, I mean, right now for music, I have the highest award I can get in music other than the Hall of Fame.
I can see that. That was a junior award.
Yeah, the Juno Award, which is equivalent to a Grammy.
I see that.
You know what I mean? So, yeah, it's been a blessing to the music.
And I must say, the last time, soon as we spoke to you, the last time in the UK, like a week after you go back over, we see you winning the award. I'm like, yeah, we get a little good luck touch or something. You know,
Yeah.
See
Yeah.
you. So hopefully after this, when you go back home, you go win something else again. That makes sense.
Yeah, we hope so.
Of course. If you just explain to us, what was the award really about? Because we never really get to talk to you from then.
The award was a reggae recording of the year. You know what I mean? So best reggae. With a singular album. No, I put in the EP that you featured last time.
Yeah.
So I won for that.
Great. And you done the video over here. I like the video you done in the school with the kids. Remember that?
Yeah,
kid,
man.
You know?
World Mag, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. That make people ball in a boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That makes some big man say, Jesus, please, come on my son's school.
Speaking about the video and thing, what's your latest body of work?
The latest body of work, actually, we just get one today from Dilly, Stingray, you know. But we're morely focusing on building the industry in Canada because it's not like here where we have so much radio station and everything there. So most artists, you're not going to hear about them unless you're...
Yeah, because I'm not really hear about much.
Exactly.
From Canada.
Because I think like Canada is such a big country and I don't think you have such a tight-knit Jamaican population in one area in Canada. Like,
I mean,
like in London and New York and like
it's the same.
certain part of Florida.
It's the same. Like we have a whole heap away. You know
So
what I mean?
in
Because
tight-knit just the same like London. Like everywhere I go you can see yard here, yard things there and
Yeah.
everywhere. Okay.
So why is it not connecting as it connecting in London? What's the difference? What's happening?
no support, really. If I'm going to be honest. We don't have the support. Like, we can go here and you might hear a stylogy Our the brother named Prince of Harles then. What name?
Big Zeeks.
Big Zeeks.
Yeah,
Zeke, yeah.
and them something there, right? Now when you go home, or when I go home, sorry, we're gonna hear Stylogy and Big Zeeks. And not you're gonna hear me too because I wish for me reach, but you're not gonna hear the younger youth and have the talent.
Like the new talent coming up.
Yeah, them prefer to focus on what's buzzing somewhere else.
Yeah, but opposite always attract, really, in a
Yeah.
sense. But it's a very tricky one because you can say that they need to focus more on building themselves. But why? I don't know. I kind of stuck with that one.
I kind of get your point because like we never see a breakout artist come from Canada.
Well, you know one, but you just don't know say.
No,
I'm
I'm talking like within the Jamaican scene. We see like Dove Magnum doing it from
Atlanta,
America,
yeah.
and we see like Stylogy doing it from UK and
Yeah,
such
and
more
Cranium
others
from
coming
New York
and
and so.
Trinium from New York.
Yeah.
But from the Canadian side, that's why they're not giving the younger artists that look in.
Exactly. You
Yeah.
know what I mean?
Because it
Because
does.
the only artist we're from Canada is Leroy Gibbons.
I didn't even know that he was
You
from
see what I
Canada.
mean?
Exactly, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Because no one mentioned that or no one said anything about that. I thought you and Gibbons are from Jamaica.
Right.
So
Come from Eglinton, man.
But that's the thing when we talk about put credit where it's due. So if that should be where he bust from and where he started out musically, like I think they should put the credit in Canada where it deserves.
Yeah, exactly. Because, for example, you will have, I don't know, maybe you get a Canadian artist come from Canada and come straight to UK, but when them reach here, you got your life from Jamaica.
yeah, I true that.
You understand what I mean?
I true that.
So, I'm not trying to out nobody, but it happens. If you do your research, you
Yeah.
you know what I
because
mean?
Right.
the brand Jamaica is easier to sell.
Right, especially for reggae and
Yeah.
dancehall.
Because you're not gonna Canada is not known for dancehall music.
No, you know, for hockey.
No, for hockey and yeah. But Drake made it from Canada. Even though it's a different dynamics, but it's
Yeah.
still music. He made it and he's the biggest thing. Well, he is the biggest artist right
In
now
the world, yeah.
to me in the world. People will debate that, but
If you look on it, Drake never really made it from Canada. He had to leave.
You have to go to the States.
He went to the
because,
States
like,
and boss, yeah. Because it's the same thing him face. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? Where there's no real, I would say, infrastructure in Canada for artists. Like you have the awards, them and them something, but they're looking at what you're doing outside of Canada. And I mean,
Okay.
how are you trying to bring a light to Canada?
Like you have Drake, you have Justin Bieber and all these people, and none of them never really do it from Canada.
No.
All of them do it from the States.
the States.
So
Yeah.
coming back to what we were saying, like credit never really give to where it's originally due, because like I don't know if you guys watch any one of Drake's story. He say he was in a restaurant, doing some live gigs and stuff in inside Canada, and like nobody actually
pay him
like
no mind.
pay him no mind.
That's always the story. Most
Before
of the time.
Drake, boss, nobody narrate him. None at all. I'm going to tell you, say my worst.
Yeah, because people usually say it's like a white wannabe black guy.
Yeah.
Mm.
You know
But
what I mean?
that shows a same thing what I said earlier about Stylogy, when they made a try to fight him and I say all these things. As long as you put in the work and you're good enough, all of the no's turn to yes. And everybody have to accept it then.
Because at the end of the day, consistency and good work,
Yeah,
and,
so
and work ethic.
got a little controversial question to you. What keep on attract you to the UK shows all the time? So do you have like, a little mix up? You have a woman over here or something? Or
Kind of ask if I'm on it. Yeah.
No, I don't have any women
we have to
in
get
this.
it out to the fans because I know the people them want to know.
No, well, I have a love relationship with UK music scene based on the fact that, and this is the second time I got to tell the story.
Yeah.
When I started to become an artist, because I used to produce before, seeing I was in high school and I get suspended. Matter of fact, I was supposed to go to jail, seeing for a fight.
See?
And them time we had to producing, but it was more like a hobby type of thing.
Yeah.
And for the time when them somebody up on Osiris or whatever not, the UK grime scene actually grabbed my attention when I said, yo, what is? I never said this before. So for the next 3 months when I do home, I do all research on what is this for me. I say, so I hear about the Westwood them and them time that Johnny B never there on them something like that.
No.
But it was like the Wiley and the Dizzy Rascal and then
Yeah, them man that running from in the 90s.
yeah, see, and so, and then now, I get tuned into General Levy, and they already know Saxon sound, because you know from the cassette and the sound system
Yeah,
era,
Saxon,
Jamaica and
okay.
them thing there. So it's like, yo, so this big over there,
Big,
you know what I
big
mean?
man.
And at that time, Toronto never had like the scene where it have now. So even between then and now, the scene rise there. You know what I mean? So that was the only thing outside of Jamaica would keep me rooted with music and culture. So me falling in love with it through UK. I bring so, you know what I mean? So I always come back and plus my Volipa family. The first support me ever get in music was from the UK.
Okay.
You know what I mean? First time ever get played on radio, UK.
So that explains Dragon question. So it's not a female love story.
Yeah.
I know people been thinking it, but they
just not
probably
said.
don't get the opportunity to ask. And
Ask.
so
Yeah.
now I'm asking some of the questions for the people and for the viewers and who gonna watch this interview and who gonna wanna wonder all these things.
Yeah,
Of
man.
course. And if you're watching on Facebook as well, if you want to put a live question in, I'll read it out to you as well. Yeah.
So did you have any show that you perform in the UK this trip that you've been here?
We just did Middlesbrough.
Middlesbrough.
So, yeah, Middlesbrough.
Middlesbrough.
Yeah.
So how is it? There's this you won this Juno Awards in Canada. Is there not any major shows in Canada for reggae or dancehall music? Is there not any? See, like go Jamaica have Sunfest or Sunsplash. What is the major show in Canada?
You have your Jambanas. You have, I mean, them have shows. To get on them is a different thing.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because I guess you have one show and then you have maybe like 10 artists from Jamaica. They say, you know, it's a budget mash up there, so.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Budget completely mash up. And then it's just, if you look, it's just weird. Like, if we can't talk about it,
So have you ever seen yourself marking yourself in like the European scene outside of England, like the Belgium, the Germany,
yeah, definitely.
the Italy, and those places that dancehall is such a heavy influence? in
Yeah,
those
well, the
places?
EP itself is produced by German producers.
Okay.
And my first single that was nominated for the award was produced by French producers.
Is it the Greater
Yeah,
EP?
Greater EP, yeah. That's German produced, yeah.
So what about in terms of like performance wise? Have you ever traveled to none of these places and done any live performance?
No, not yet. Them always ask from a forward, but it just never.
I think because like I like Europe a lot, and I think they appreciate dancehall music way a lot more than England, and I would say Jamaica as well.
Especially the reggae side. They love reggae.
Especially the reggae side, like the type of music that you do, I think you'll be more appreciated there. And I think the first taste of it you get,
You
in
never,
that side,
you're gonna go listen.
first taste you get, you're gonna love it.
Yeah, over them again.
You're gonna go back over there.
You're gonna love it.
Yeah, of course. Definitely.
Alright.
People, if you just joining us, we have here live in studio this evening. Kirk Diamond is here all the way from Canada, and he's in the UK. Not for the first time. As I say, you have a love relationship with the UK. And so, if everybody that's watching right now, quickly, if you could just get how we can find the music online, some details somewhere.
At Kirk Diamond, KIRKDIAMOND. Yeah. Yeah,
And
hot boy.
And people, man, I take off him jacket, you know, because it's like him get the news. I want to go and people, this is Upnlive show. I know every artist come in the studio, Dragon have a little session when you just carry them through, and you know, Dragon a your time when be, oh, it's stay up there.
Freestyle, man.
Oh, that's a reach already?
I see him face up on the 2 hour money, so you know it's going up here, none.
Alright.
Time limited, so you know it go. When you're ready, this is Kirk Diamond here live in the Upnlive show, freestyle. Alright, stage is yours, brother. Let's go.
Well, alright. Just make me kill them with the flow, yeah. The wall of the done them a soldier, all in a grease a machine and the toga. If I beam with that team like poker, one of the spanners of the boat loca. Know that, yeah, we no confident, no chat you. We see blood running like mocha, then brain jump up on one like it's soca. Make you say, oh God. You can't take we for kung fu panda, when it a raining, no feel like a Santa. Bust up your head like a buckle of Fanta, make we a wonder. How them say, I sing them a sing and I shot them a shock. Upnlive go tell them say, hey yo, you talk about them, you talk about me and TG, Bobby the Bill from Dan, them all up a Tada and Dory. Now listen a story, them story about me. You know say do every time if I done it for that, because the boy them a act and I don't. So nothing we sing, man, I top, I got nothing to really top that. But tell them me straight like here with permanent that, and we kill like when the drummers attack, and then the boy feel like them better than I can get it, and no me not take on a chat. I watch and no one make me tell them say. So me tell them say the whole world, ooh.
Jack gonna go overboard this evening, I swear. People, this is Kirk Diamond here live in the Upnlive show. Let's go.
Yeah. Watch him and make it kick. Yeah. Watch him and make it kick, yeah. Yeah. Some me say what a bam bam. Tell them say your style and fashion, yeah. Plus they know say the style can't ration. Me tell them First thing when me reach England, me realize the place I love you have. Birmingham the Queen, live a Buckingham you have. Lucian man a place named Clapham, yeah. Me have a girl and she live a Nottingham, but Rastafari no touch Nottingham, hey. English Premier League a the bomb cho. And them team they no left out the gang, the people a call them hooligan, yeah. We like fight with them foot and them man try that with yard man, then we pop off your hand when the thing start to sing you might feel like a son, hey. When we do this we no break nor rest and no. New Year's Eve apple bus pan Adam cho. Find him in a hole, hang him up like Saddam, yeah. From you see the natty, try no a lion, yeah. When me start spit you might feel a dragon, yo. Rick no left out the big chrome iron. You jump with ghetto youth, then you Nancy Zion, yeah. Defend off the youth, yes I am, and if them still want to know what I am when I touch down like Styler, you know you just call me a yardie. Call me a yardie. We like Benz and Beamers and Audis. Them said that's bollocks, you like the Glock 40. You Jamaicans like to shoot up party. They say no, I not really saw the plan go. But if you're this black people, you know you're going back up on Rambo mix with that Django One War report. No check Alan Brando.
No, but like it. But like it. I become Alan Brando and war report you know. Oh, you know. I swear. Oh, you see, you want to go again or you cut it? Let me see what I go on.
You do want to go more?
Okay, I get one extra 40 seconds, man.
More time I fi kill them with the mismatch. Riff raff and on my jeans they a pitch patch. Feel delicious cause my belly like a six pack. The swagger shot like the bang after the click clack. Them career at risk watch. How much tick tock on your wristwatch before this get pull up by your disc jack. All if me rap me style in a cash you can't get it if you pick pot. Kid, them say yo when them see me come me take off like a big rocket. Tell Houston the problem is done them and them can't stop it. Future lost and them can't map it. Anything come against me future me zigzag it. Fly without pilot nobody can land it. Hairstyle the natty jet lock it. And Zout say yeah man.
I swear to God, you know what that we call freestyle. Yeah. No that weekend the freestyle them up on the dragon.
No, man, I lie.
Yeah.
Stamp of approval, man. Not it bad.
Of course.
Yeah, man, him bad. Fully bad.
Any last words before we go?
Yeah, well, I have 2 more shows this Friday.
Yeah. Where we can find now?
Peckham, Aris Academy, Peckham. Might do something with the children again.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then immediately after that, with their Pop Brixton. More this freestyle thing.
Pop music,
yeah, it's more like a hip hop festival type of thing, but them like for them something so.
Yeah. We see the levels. And we see the level is gonna be greater.
Yeah.
Of course. You see that? Get in. Freestyle Upnlive show. But people, thank you very much having your ears and your time this evening. Kirk Diamond was here and we give thanks for coming through the show. And thank you very much for making it the Upnlive show. Remember the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, Vast Print, and the show is also produced by World Mag Entertainment. And you can, if you miss the show, people, you can also see us on all social media platforms. That's at Upnlive Show. You can go into our YouTube channel and you can see all the previous videos that we've done before. Before Kirk Diamond today, we had Beanie G and the freestyle them go hard. Dragon, how it stay?